Hey, this is Matt with Dirtbagger. I'm going to go do a camping trip. It ain't going to be nothing much. It's just a short little overnighter thing. Here to grab basically just a can of beef stew or something for dinner to make it simple. I'll try to cover a little bit of what I bring on the bike. I'm not fully loaded down for a cross-country trip, but I've got enough to make a nice, comfortable camping night. All right, well, let's see how it goes, and we'll see you on the road. Guys, well, here's up here is most roads to the campground I'm going to go stay at. It's a little twisty. It's only 5-6 miles, so I'll let you ride up in there with me. Got to watch for deer through here, and it seems to be ever increasing dirt and gravel on the road. But it's a fun one. I said it's just a few miles from the house, so it makes for an easy getaway for a night out. It's a quick little easy road. This is Mountain Park in Tehachapi. Nice little just wooded park. It says it's close to town. Is what it is. Well, I'm going to let you go and turn it off for now while I find a camping spot and figure out where I'm going to be. We just chased off a couple of deer.
We just saw a fox walk all the way across.
That's the one we probably seen.
Yeah, so they're trying to see if they can see because they didn't see it in time.
Yeah, he thought it was a coyote, but I'm pretty sure it's a fox.
No, it's a fox, but that's what they're looking for now.
All right, well, we're gonna go.
While they're doing this.
All right, well, I found my space. We're gonna tuck up in back here in this corner. I'm not gonna lie, I have my family with me tonight. They came in the van, and we're gonna show the bike by itself and stuff, but so we're going to tuck the bike in a little further back to give the family a little more space for it. We got some other family coming in to meet us too for dinner tonight while we're here. kids and Alex are over chasing a fox. I got some pictures of it I'll probably insert in. But we're gonna set up camp now. It should be a nice little night. It's not too busy up here, so we'll see when I get the tent set up. Thank you guys. All right, hi guys. So I've had a request for what I use for my camping gear, because others that know me in private life knows I travel and do some fairly big long trips, and I typically camp. So I switched to and have had for about a year now one of the Wingman of the Road tents. Yes, it's big and heavy. As you can see, it's on the bike. They're small when they set up, but the cool thing with this one is I've been in below freezing temperatures in it, and it keeps warm when you seal it up, but it opens up enough to provide an awning tied off the bike or trees or whatever, and lots of airflow. Being that it's canvas, it'll last forever, and it will it's just kind of a quick self-contained thing. So I grab my stove, food, clothes, a change of clothes, and that roll on the back of the bike, and I'm ready to hit the road and go. Yeah, I mean, that's cross country or just a weekend night out to come and camp. I'm going to work on getting that set up. I'm going to have Alex help film a little bit of it, and so to see how easy it is to set up this little tent. It's expensive. I've done lots of trips with $30 tents as well, but this one's expensive, and it should last me the rest of my life, so I kind of enjoy having it. Been a big fan many years now of rock straps. These are the big ones. I got the thin little ones too, the 1/2-inch ones. I'll use 3 of the 1/2-inch ones when I tie this on. I typically have my jacket tied onto the top instead of stuffing it in. And when I'm doing bigger trips and want more clothing and more winter gear, I will put an extra bag, a dry bag, on my back seat. An advantage of that dry bag is it gives me a backrest. So sometimes I'll pack it full whether I need it or not. Yes, this is my little helper. Hi! He's the instigator for the camping trip. Hi! All right, let's go ahead and get this set up, okay? Okay. So rock straps are easy. They're elastic on one side and solid straps, so if your stuff collapses down, they stay tight. And they're just durable and tough as shit, so it's nice to have them. So this tent, as I said, is a 1-set unit. So it's kind of heavy. This is the 2-person one, the Toucan Wingman. So it's the 2-person one, but big boy needs it. I've had this kid and this kid have actually stayed in the tent with me. We've camped in it with just the 3 of us in this little tent. So as tiny as it is, it actually does have enough space in it to be pretty comfortable. I added a extra air mattress into it that's a self-inflating, can't think of the brand name. It fits the tent perfectly, and it makes it so much more comfortable. And I typically add, and I have it with me tonight, to put a wool blanket in. And with that, that's where we go down into the freezing temperatures. If I was to go much below probably 25, then I would need to add a little bit more bedding. And this is my other son. So you got the whole family except for the dog. Come here, dog.
Oh, no, he was in the video.
All right.
He came across the way.
And here's stupid dog. Hey, come here. And his name is Damn It. So, yes. When we yell Damn It, dog, we're not being mean. It's his true name.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this set up. Said it's quick and easy. 2 metal latches.
Okay, you guys, out of the way.
Just unroll it.
That's a big
Out of the way.
tent.
You got quick ties in the middle.
That's time really had to set up.
So this side has a pouch. This is where all the poles are. You got 3 sets of poles. You got one for that end, one for this end, and missing one. There'll be one in the middle. So it's just quick, easy setup.
That's okay, me do a few That's okay, me help you.
When it's time, you can.
Okay.
We got to do the big red tent since all you guys are here too.
Alright, go help Daddy. Go see what you could do to help.
Can I please help?
I'm not sure what you can do to help right yet.
How do we keep the tent steady?
You can try to do that, yes.
How do I keep it steady?
I'm not sure. This is the hardest part of setting this tent up, is getting these ends into this pole on each side. All right, Tad, you wanted to help? Go ahead and clip that there. Melvin, you want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, clip this on this pole like this.
Okay. This one's hard to get. Yeah.
Get the tent backwards, so I'll have to spin it too.
I can't even get it.
Okay, here, let me help.
No, but help.
Janet, stay.
Oh, it's hard to get for me.
All right, you want to hold this side?
Oh, you're
Yeah.
being a big food.
I can help. Oh, this is a pretty heavy. And there's a no window right here.
I just repeat it on this
Get that.
side. When I'm able to reach the valve on the air mattress when I get set up,
Dad, let me help
I'll
you.
open it up and the air mattress will self-inflate and it'll be ready to go when it's bedtime. Makes it nice and easy. It's a little harder to deflate it with it being inside this tent, but it's well worth the weight and money to have that extra
Dad, here.
air mattress in there.
Dad, you're going to get the rest of the ratty.
He's gonna get the rest of them.
I
Hey.
think I know how that goes in. Look.
So when I'm by myself, my other item I use is a jet boil stove.
Here.
The one I use, I've had at least 15 years. It seriously, not just bike, it has more than 1 million miles on it.
Excuse me.
I've used it and used it and used it because I travel for work,
Daddy.
Wait.
and it's one of my main cooking sources I use at work. And
Daddy, what is this purple one?
yeah,
1 second.
you need to wait though.
1 second.
Right here?
Maybe. Wait. Here, back up and hold on to it. Okay, he'll show you.
Oh, this.
So, and the jet boil is not the easiest thing to cook with because it's got some limitations, but you learn to live with those limitations. It's not so bad. It works best for boiling water type stuff. For like skillet, it works, but it burns stuff really easily. But to make coffee, hot chocolate, soups, a lot of that stuff on the road is really easy and really fast with the jet boil, and it just takes up such little space. And it's just like this tent setup, it's a combined unit, so I can just grab it. It's got the utensils on it, it's got everything I need, it's got the gas inside the thing, so it's one unit to grab to make for a quick, easy to go camping. All right, bud, go ahead and bring that one here.
Now, what do me do with this?
This one goes like this, and it goes to Tad. This one, we open that, and this slides down in there. All right, Tad, stick that
I know.
through the hole.
Good?
Okay, and pull tight.
Right here.
Pull tight, pull tight, pull tight,
I
pull
am.
tight. Okay, and we just lock it, and that's just Velcro.
Daddy,
And that's pretty much it for the tent.
Daddy.
It has
You learned how.
an awning that can tie off to the bike to give yourself a little porch. I'll
Hey,
probably
I'm
set that
doing
up.
it. Look at me, Dad.
The net's on both sides. It opens up completely on both sides. It has windows on the end
Ta-da!
with space on each end to hang your with a helmet hanger underneath, so you can hang your helmet and get all your gear out of the weather. So it makes for a nice quick setup. It's my basic setup for when I go camping. It's quick, easy to grab, easy to set up, easy to use, easy to pack back up and get back on the road. All right, well, you guys have a good night.
Dad, I did these.
All right, well, this is pretty much my setup. It changes where I want the awning tied up. So yeah, it's across the front of the bike and not good on paint and the windshield, but I wanted it a little bit tighter. A lot of times I'll tie it down more towards the crash bar and it'll give it a dip down to this side. But that's what it is. So you got the awning, you got the net, so it opens completely up. On that side, there's a canvas sheet that rolls down to keep it warm in there. My helmet's tucked up underneath here. Like I said, they are. So it keeps it protected out of the way. So you can see how I have the awning rolled up on this side, and it opens up to a full screen. The mosquitoes are bad, or I would show you the inside, but it's just got a thin sleeping bag with the thin mattress that came with it, and then my mattress is underneath it. But that's my quick, easy setup. A lot of times, and I probably get a picture of it, I run lights on the tent, because when I'm out at rallies or even camping like this, sometimes I like to tuck back in. I'm outside of the actual campsite, and it's easy to lose it. So if the outside of the tent's lit up in a soft, easy light, it makes it nice. When I'm using a nylon tent, I'll actually have a flashlight inside, and I'll have it where it sets where it flashes about once every 10 seconds, and that saves battery. It can run for weeks like that, and makes it really easy to spot the tent. So this is my setup. I'm gonna go get the kids set up and get their tent done, and yeah, we'll try to join you guys here in a little bit. I just wanted to share how my camping setup works. Thank you guys. All right, and with Camping Steve, which is my little helper for the bikes, favorite person, we need a step 2. We got the tent set up, we're ready, so it's time for a step 2. All right, come on, gotta do our step 2 for Camping Steve. So for Alex, step 2 for Camping Steve.